Welcome, in front of me is a Google Pixel 6, and today I'll show you how to put the device into safe mode. And to get started, you'll want to hold power key and a volume, I believe, up at the same time. Let's try it. Power key, volume up. Yep. And once you see your boot options, hold power off. This then changes it into reboot to safe mode. Confirm it by tapping on OK and wait just for the device to boot back up. Now once the device boots into safe mode, only the default pre-installed applications will work. Anything that you have downloaded and installed yourself will not be able to start in any kind of way. And that is strictly designed so you can troubleshoot your device in this mode. So if some kind of application is causing you problems, that application will have zero way of running right now in safe mode. So thus it cannot cause you any problems. And as you can see, we also have the safe mode marking right here while you are in this mode. Now once you're done with it and you want to leave safe mode, all you need to do is again hold power key and volume up and simply select restart. And once the device boots back up, it will go back to normal mode. And as you can see, we are now back in normal mode. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.